Galaxy S26 Ultra just dropped 5 leaks so wild they might make Apple start charging for air. Samsung's out here playing 4D chess while the iPhone's still reading the rulebook. And yeah, there's a comeback move that nobody saw coming. So grab your coffee, your popcorn, or your midlife crisis of a smartphone, because this is the most disrespectful tech glow-up of 2025. All right, let's get real. Samsung's been dropping Ultra phones faster than we drop likes on a MrBeast video, and I hope you like my video same, but this time it's different. They're actually changing the launch game. Normally January is the magic month, but now the Unpacked event's been pushed to February 25th in San Francisco. Translation: Samsung's cooking something they don't want Apple to copy early. Pre-orders open the same day, and if you play your cards right, your S26 Ultra could be flexing in your hand by early March. But here's where it gets spicy. Rumors say a fourth phone might sneak into the lineup. Yeah, that Edge series everyone thought was dead. Apparently it's back from the tech graveyard like a rebooted gangster franchise. So check this out. Samsung's lineup for 2025 is shaping up like S26, S26 Plus, and the big boss, S26 Ultra. But word on the street is they've quietly restarted development on the S26 Edge under a new codename More Slim. That lines up perfectly with last year's Slim, which basically confirms they're sneaking this one in under the radar. Now don't get it twisted, the Plus model isn't getting cut. Samsung's just adding more flavor to the menu. And if that Edge really makes a comeback, bro, it's nostalgia meets innovation. All right, visual nerds, here's your candy render show. The S26 Ultra is noticeably rounder than the S25 Ultra. Not iPhone 17 Pro Max round, thank God, but smoother, cleaner, and more premium feeling in the hand. Side-by-side screen protectors confirm it. It's a design tweak. You'll feel more than you'll see. And get this, Samsung's not just flexing design. They're dropping the world's first phone lineup with Bluetooth 6.1. Every other flagship's still stuck on 6.0, sipping battery life like it's 2022. Bluetooth 6.1 brings two major wins: privacy and power efficiency. That means less creepy location tracking and better battery, not just on your phone, but on your buds and watch too. So when you rock those new Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, both your phone and buds run smoother than your ex's excuses. Let's talk real-life impact. Bluetooth 6.1 ain't just numbers, it means your daily grind gets easier. No more random disconnects mid-Zoom call, no more draining your earbuds before lunch. Samsung's building an ecosystem that actually works together, not one that traps you inside a walled garden. Yeah, I said it. Shots fired at Apple. And for my gamers and performance freaks, we got the Exynos 2600 stepping into the ring. Samsung confirmed it's powering the S26 lineup. Benchmarks are wild. Real scores show around 3,500 single-core and 11,600 multi-core running at 3.88 gigahertz. Compare that to Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy at 4.76 gigahertz, and Exynos is still keeping up. It's like the underdog finally hitting the gym. Look, these leaks show Samsung's finally stopped playing safe. They're betting on their own silicon, refining design, and sliding in tech that nobody else has got yet. And while everyone's arguing Snapdragon versus Exynos, Samsung's just sitting back saying, we built both, fools. That's the real plot twist. Samsung's building independence, cutting reliance, leveling up efficiency, and pushing privacy like never before. This ain't just another yearly refresh. It's a brand reset moment. So here's the bottom line, fam. Bluetooth 6.1 is smarter, safer, longer-lasting battery. Design is rounder, smoother, cleaner feel. Exynos 2600 is finally fighting back. Launch date in February 25th, San Francisco. And the S26 Edge? Yeah, the legend might just rise again. If Samsung nails this, Apple better start sweating, because the Ultra just got ultra real. Drop a comment. Would you cop the S26 Ultra or hold out for that Edge comeback? Smash that sub button like it owes you battery life and turn on notifications, because next up, we're spilling fresh tea on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and trust me, that one's gonna hurt some feelings. Peace out.